Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best tiny home building kit for adults to live in, the Rowood Coffee Miniature House Kit, specifically the charming No. 17 Cafe Edition. This DIY miniature dollhouse kit offers a unique crafting experience that combines creativity, precision, and relaxation all in one beautifully detailed package. From the moment you open the box, you'll notice the quality and care put into every piece. The kit includes precisely cut wooden sheets that form the structure of a cozy, boutique-style coffee shop. The design is inspired by classic cafes, with warm wooden elements that create a welcoming and homey atmosphere. This kit isn't just about assembling a model. It's about recreating the comforting ambiance of a favorite neighborhood coffee spot on a tiny scale. Assembly is designed with adults in mind, offering an immersive experience that generally takes around 6 hours to complete. The slot structure means you won't have to wrestle with glue or complicated fasteners for the main assembly, although some details will require a careful touch. The kit features 183 pieces that come together to create a seamless interior and exterior, making this miniature house feel surprisingly real. It also includes an LED warm ambient light that adds a beautiful glow to your finished model, enhancing the cozy vibe of the cafe. What makes this kit stand out is the thoughtful balance between detail and simplicity. The open concept layout allows for plenty of visibility inside, showcasing the miniature furniture and decor that give the coffee shop its personality. While the overall size is compact, the scale is just right to provide a satisfying building experience without overwhelming complexity. This kit is ideal not only for personal enjoyment but also as a distinctive gift. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just a special treat for someone who loves hands-on projects, the No. 17 Cafe offers a memorable craft that results in a charming home decor piece. Display it in your living room, office, or bedroom and enjoy the warm, inviting atmosphere it brings. It's worth noting that batteries for the LED lights are not included, so you'll want to have those on hand before you start building. Also, the instructions are detailed but do require patience and a steady hand, making this a great way to unwind and focus your mind. In conclusion, the Rowood Coffee Miniature House Kit No. 17 Cafe is a beautifully crafted, engaging miniature building experience designed for adults who appreciate fine details and the joy of creating something from scratch. If you're looking for a tiny home kit that doubles as a relaxing hobby and a stunning decorative piece, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews on the coolest products out there. See you next time.